Print your design onto the sublimation paper using sublimation ink. Be sure to mirror the image. Clean the blank sublimation mug to remove any dust or residue. Use rubbing alcohol for best result. Position the sublimation paper around the mug, aligning your design where you want. Use heat-resistant tape to secure the paper in place. Cover the mug with parchment paper. Plug in your Cricut Mug Press and allow it to preheat according to the manufacturer's instructions. This typically takes a few minutes. Carefully place the mug with the secured sublimation paper into the Cricut Mug Press. After the mug has cooled, carefully remove the sublimation paper and tape to reveal your custom design, which should now be permanently transferred onto the mug. That's it! You've successfully created a sublimation mug using a Cricut Mug Press.